afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What you working on?
Well, I just picked up this fat quarter bundle and project book.
Oh, there's so many great quilt patterns in that book.
Yeah.
You're going to love it.
Yeah. I have a little pickle.
Okay. How can I help?
Well, I don't really have a machine to sew on.
You came to the right place. Let me help you find the perfect machine for you.
Okay. The only thing is, I don't know that I necessarily want to spend a whole lot of money.
Okay.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
I'm kind of on a budget.
Sure, no problem. You know, I actually have some really great used machines that you may be really interested in. Come and check it out.
What kind of machine is this one, or what does it do?
This is the Bernina 730 with embroidery, and it's a really great option of a machine. It has great decorative stitch patterns for you and lots of really great abilities, like a freehand system so you can lift and lower the presser foot and the feed dogs, and it has a great number of feet and accessories that come with the machine. And later on in your sewing, you can even try embroidery because it comes with an embroidery module.
Yeah. That's something I've really wanted to do, is learn to embroider, but I've never really been taught how to do it.
No problem. You know, when you buy a machine here, whether it's new or used, you're going to get free classes with the machine.
Really? That's awesome.
Yeah, we teach 7 days a week.
That's perfect, because I work during the week, so I can come on the weekends.
Yeah, I'll have to show you our classroom later. Also, some other cool benefits about buying even a used machine here is, in addition to the free classes, we're also going to give you a discount on fabric and kits in the store. So your kit that you're buying today is going to be 20% off all day, every day.
That's even better.
Yes, and if you want more bobbins for this machine or another specialty foot, like you decide to do a rolled hem on a skirt later, you're going to also get that for the discount.
That's great. It seems like I can really grow along with this machine and learn a lot.
Yeah, and as you're growing along with this machine, your first year of clean and service is free.
That's great.
Yeah, see, there's so many great things, and I haven't even talked to you about the price of the machine. We have a really, really great special on it. You're going to want to know about this. So this is our classroom space up here, and like I said, we teach 7 days a week, so there's going to be a class that will fit for your schedule to teach you how to use your machine so you can get the most out of it.
Awesome. What a nice and inspiring place to be. So I got this fabric for 20% off, correct?
Yes.
Awesome.
And I just signed you up for your first free class.
Perfect. Now, speaking of classes, what if I want to bring my machine? Do you guys have suitcases?
We do, actually. We have this great suitcase right here.
Now, does this one count towards my discount?
Yep, 20% off.
That's perfect. I'll take the set.
All right. I'm super excited for you and your new quilts that you're going to be making. And we will see you for class on Friday.
Yes, thanks for all your help.
You're welcome. Hope to see you soon.